Today, I have nothing to share with you, but I have something very, very important to ask. What is that one best advice that you would like to give someone who's your age, who's in a situation which is very similar to yours, who's living a life very similar to yours? Do think of that one advice, that best advice. Now, ask yourself that are you following this advice in your life? Are you implementing that most important suggestion in your own life? If not, you must implement it first. So why I chose to ask you this today is because all of us somewhere know what we need to do to transform our life, just that we might not be implementing it. So today I want you to take some time out, figure out for yourself what is that best suggestion, best piece of advice that you would like to suggest yourself. Most of us know this already, but still we keep on seeking suggestions from outside. But today I want you to seek that suggestion internally and implement that. I am Garima Arora Kannan, and this is Life Leadership Movement, inspiring you to take the charge of your life and be the leader.